Superheroes, yeah man, we scored the awesome property in e-leiloes, we rock, and then we're like, man, he screwed up. One small development, no one gave us the keys. So today we are bringing you into the journey of buying a property in Portugal. We bought a property and we are on our way to do what you call in Portuguese a escritura da casa. And this is actually a property that we've been eyeing for a while. Even before we arrived to Portugal, we had seen this property and we really liked it. So we bought this house in a platform that Tony has been using for the last 10 years. How do you call this platform?
e-leiloes.
I actually did a video about it. I'll leave it the link up there for you to see, which is a platform where basically properties that either are in disputes between the family, so inheritance disputes, or otherwise someone from the family owes money to finances, right? So they end up in this platform and they're being handled by an official to make sure it's sold. And so the sale is distributed by all parties, including finances. And these properties end up there, obviously, at a discounted price. I would say probably in Lisbon. We've seen Lisbon, right? We've been also looking into Lisbon. I don't feel they are no longer at discounted price. I mean, we cannot even find anything that is not reaching 500,000. The bidding price starts low, like at 200, but when you see the end of the auction, it's like at really up to the market price. Nevertheless, we did find a property in an area in Alto Alentejo that we love with a superb location, and we decided to move on it, right, Antonio?
Yes, correct.
So our approach was like, let's bid on the day before, and our theory was to make a strong position. How did that work out for us?
Failed.
It failed miserably because guess what? I'll show you the video in which we bid, and it looks like we won, right? I mean, when you see the auction closes and it says something like you're the highest bidder, right? We were like, score! This is on the pocket. We won, right? I even told you, Antonio, I missed the drama. I was expecting people to start bidding on the last 5 minutes against us, but that didn't happen, right?
Exactly.
And we thought that was on the pocket.
So we thought that was in the pocket, yeah.
And then what did I ask you to do? To call who? The
solicitadora,
which is the guy handling the auction. And what did he say?
That there was someone else that sent the email that is
was
legal.
Was it an email or a letter?
Yeah, it was a registered email that it was giving a higher offer. So in that case, since it was a higher offer, we needed to bid among each other.
You will not believe how much he outbid us. It was just 1,000 euros.
Yeah.
The guy, I guess, I'm imagining this person. This person was just like on the website, and then he saw our bid and probably thought, "Ooh, this seems like a good deal. Someone is interested in this stuff. Let me check out and bid them for 1,000." Yeah, we were feeling pretty upset, weren't we? That's like big time.
Yeah, it was for the moment we felt that we were knowledgeable enough that we needed to.
You fail even. We thought we were like feeling superheroes. Yeah, man, we scored the awesome property in e-leiloes. We rock, and then we're like, man, he screwed up because we were supposed to bid on the last 5 minutes, so we wouldn't leave much chance for someone to intervene, right?
Exactly. So if you bid before people know that you're interested, it's like it will generate interest. It's like everyone has a different strategy.
Or it didn't work out.
My strategy for the future is like only bid in the last 30 minutes.
Exactly. So next we had to start bidding via email, right? It was not a pleasant experience.
Yes, that is a private negotiation that it can go back and forth for 5 days, so this can take a long time.
thankfully for us, we bid again, and the other person gave up on the deal. So we probably hit their threshold price, and they didn't want to bid again. Because again, what happens if you bid and you do not have the intention to pay that amount of money? What happens, Antonio?
Yeah, you get you get like a lawsuit. You get in debt that because you need to pay for that.
Yeah, you get in really trouble, a lot of trouble with some institutions that you do not want to get in trouble. So in the end, it didn't turn out. It turned out well for us. It turned out a little bit more expensive than we hoped, but I call it. Let's call it a lesson. We paid extra for a life lesson, which now we know how to properly act next time.
And it's a business. You need to see how much do you think that the property is worth it. What is the value? How much are you willing to pay for that? To see if it's a good deal, and how much are you willing to pay and to go. So I think that this is all about math. You need to have the numbers. Okay, sometimes you go higher than we could have paid less.
Yes, but we had a ceiling that we didn't reach our ceiling, so that's good.
So, but in this case, we knew how much we could give. It was inside of that threshold, and we are happy with the deal.
Yeah, we feel good about it. We're gonna get the keys now in the escritura, and we will show you the house.
Yeah, we're gonna sign the house and getting the keys, and then we'll see. That will be a surprise to see what is the state of the house.
Exactly, because we've seen it a really long time ago. We have no idea if the people that own it went to clean it. I doubt anybody went to clean it and give us a property all shiny. Then forget it. Now we don't know if the furniture is there. The trash will definitely be there, right?
Yeah,
the trash will be there.
I'm sure the trash will be there.
The trash will be there for sure for us. But we don't know if the furniture, and there were some art pieces and some antiques. I doubt they will be there, but you never know. I mean,
it's a surprise.
But there's two things that they could not remove, which is it has a lovely tangerine tree, and it has a well, right?
Yes, and it has a lion, a statue of a lion.
Well, it does have a statue of a lion, which I doubt someone is going to remove it because it's too much work, I guess. So the stuff that's too much work, I doubt anyone will take it. But I will not put my hand in fire for anybody because people can get really creative when maybe there's some money to be made. I don't know. We have to say something. The pictures that were in the platform were pretty horrendous. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
I remember telling you, Antonio, I'm not sure if this is a good deal. This house looks terrible.
Yeah, on the platform there is like good gems, but it's a diamond in brut. You don't see the shining diamond. You see the bruised diamond.
The rough. You see it's really rough.
It's.
But our opinion changed quite a lot once we were able to get a visit. Just before the last day of bidding, we managed to get a visit into the house. And then inside the house, our perspective changed completely. What were some of your takes when you saw the house?
Yeah, the most important is to know that there is no, what they call it in Portugal, onus, that is someone who was in the house or they has a contract.
That you're basically buying something with a tenant.
Yes.
No tenants.
So I think that is important to know that that you'll not have legal problems after you buy.
Yes.
But yeah, then you enter the house, you see the nice finishing. It's an old house, more than 100 years, but they use
quality materials.
Quality material, nice wood.
I just hope no one has some fishy ideas. Like one friend of ours also bought a house on an auction, and he even got renters to the new house. And when the renters called in, what did these crazy people, previous owners, put down the pipes?
It's like polystyrene. It's like plastic. Imagine that it's like the principal is putting cement on the tubes, on the sewers. So when you start using the sink everything it was cluttered, so they have to open up everything to.
We hope honestly that the people involved on this sale, that they at least we felt good energy, that they do not think about doing those kind of stuff, because it is painful. But that's one of the things we've always been scared of buying something in an auction, is that the previous owner is angry. It's angry at whomever, finances, I don't know, life, and they just mess up the house big time. So today we're gonna take you into it, and we're gonna open that door, and we're gonna hope people have the decency to leave the house as it was. Antonio, where are you going? You need to tell the viewers what happened. We signed the contract. The house is officially ours. One small development. No one gave us the keys. Guess what? You need to ask it from the people which belonged the property before, which is quite a surprise for me. Antonio, it's not a surprise because he read the papers with attention. I did not. And second, we were informed that the house was robbed. Wow, imagine that. You just bought it today, and the first news you get is that it was robbed. And apparently someone came through the garden, because we are not seeing any indication on the front door of someone trying to get in. Someone went from the back and apparently vultured the house and took a lot of stuff. So I don't know, they took the kitchen out. We're gonna look and see what happened.
At least the door is good.
Okay, we're just getting into the house for the very first time since we are owners. Now open the door, open the door. So let's see the damage. Let's see exactly what happened here. So let's take a look and understand what the hell happened here. I don't know, did this look like this before?
Yes.
Okay, because it looks pretty beat up. So are we gonna try to see if something opens or if they broke something? I don't know. You look very skeptical. We buy the house and we just get someone else's shoes outside. I don't know which door you think it opens. Maybe this one? No, this one does not open.
No.
This one does not open. So, how the hell did they enter in the house? So I'm assuming we're getting some conflicting information from the people that previously owned this house, because I don't see any forced entry here. I don't understand what's going on.